as you mentioned, my sense is that the Supreme Court is about to make a shift, one that I welcome, which is to recognize that having hit a critical mass of states that have recognized same-sex marriage, that it doesn't make sense for us to now have this patchwork system, and that it's time to recognize that under the Equal Protection Clause of the United States, same-sex couples should have the same rights as anybody else.
There are a few officials in Alabama, starting with Judge Roy Moore, but also a number of probate judges who are resisting that. Do you see shades of George Wallace in the schoolhouse door?
Well, look, I won't say it's a perfect analogy, but there's a core principle here that's at stake, which is we have a supremacy clause in our Constitution. When federal law is in conflict with state law, federal law wins out. And my understanding is that my recollection is Judge Moore had a similar problem with a federal court ruling that you couldn't put a huge Ten Commandments statue in the middle of your courthouse. And ultimately, federal law was obeyed, and I think that the same thing will end up happening here.
Was there anything you'd say to him?
I think that the courts at the federal level will have something to say to him.